Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already know a name fragment or probable folder. Start now. Open File Explorer with Win+E and type part of the file name or extension like XLSX in the search box. Use quotes for exact phrases and add asterisk as a wildcard when unsure. Once done, set the search location to this PC to include all drives. This avoids missing files stored on external or network locations. Make sure to include OneDrive and removable drives in the location list before proceeding. Now refine results to cut noise. Click Search Date modified to limit to last week or month if you edited recently, and choose size to exclude tiny template files. Use kind or extension filters to show spreadsheets only. This speeds up scanning. If too many results remain, sort by date or use the preview pane to inspect contents without opening. Once done, use advanced queries like name, partial name ext, XLSX or ext, XLS to combine terms and reduce guesswork. Finish by opening the most promising file and verifying contents. Save a copy to a known folder. If nothing appears, check Excel's recent list, recycle bin, and OneDrive web interface for sync-only copies. Once done, use File History or Time Machine to restore deleted versions. These are lifesavers when a file vanished. If you suspect corruption, run a disk check or repair office. Make sure to resync cloud storage and test opening a backup copy to confirm recovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.